enioma enum a ema onyini ekoye eye pila na se ana ye pane bi e o se yekowo nse ebi ni wo pane o wanim ebi wo pane e wo sebe o machi ye faka na moton ebi wo pane e wo o musisi na ama aye waye tia kakara onyini pane bi o ho e de enioma enum ene boa ma enyini yi ka che
me che telephone na pane bi ani baby a
sa
so bi ka cho se pane bi o baby dia enye ono ana waye sa pane no na dia susu a yen verify by science dia ukoye bia na wa wo na akosua adamfo ka che ni se obo life said den obenyini
okay
so age in there definitely as long as you are born you will go through it na enyema num bia aye pillar anasa dia ebuama bibia ye friend healthy aging se unyini na unyini fefefe unyini wo apomudimo na bibia age ne ko anim na body ne so eye from no first one ne ye movement movement
ense otna fa ko
ni won se otna fa
me nko kan fa mo nti o
yes otifa kwa otiwa de so
we say de ense na o she
it applies here as well.
I see.
You must move.
Okay.
If you much say exercise is medicine.
Exercise is medicine. Just say apomutene true.
Yes.
Sir.
And make us a healthy aging no I can once WHO ne yi science you na and yes, more 60 years and 50 years and at every stage of life.
Said when I was church
last time year 22, 29, 32.
Right.
Sanima when na good for every stage.
Hey.
And see who the 30 now would say and caso it's a movement 150 minutes per week.
Right.
Exercise. It's a day crab, yeah, 30 minutes. Last time I buy me kind.
Right.
Nanti not far.
Right.
Open your face so as susu. Rigorous exercise gidi no.
Right.
At least nanti wa around potema ho wono. Inti evidence science HSA. Exercise one of main boa anti-aging. It won't be ready 40 years. Body 60 years.
So who know say or you're young because on auntie or tenant na pomu. Wow.
Emotions in Yemaya Kamasi. Exercise wapa. Into movement. Be active and tenacity.
Wow.
Always move. Another thing is your nutrition. Eduania Woody last time you buy ya do medo phone come ye crucify me wa hey. And then me the goat ne chicken ne ni na kukomu ni na anka ho. But and also so ma ye who say what say we did greens or vegetable.
Right.
And yes say high sodium diet na we did basa wo. Baby bebre and na joe didie into nutrition on ya. E be affect your body.
Wow.
Yeah, odi ko mu no. I also making sure say you good. Idea ebe ma wapomu de akone. Na woni di ye dia the problems about.
Right.
And yes, I also do proteins, processed foods, and I kind the last time now koto way KFC and I do bia which is so.
That's a KFC said it.
The mum, the shawarma ni say.
Shawarma no.
I me say many jemo pa. Make us a chair me.
And those who too for.
Oh, it's also did you say about digestion near the time how the baby making sure say we need na ju bebre. Sane ma we ni na no. Ehia ma yapomodeno. Sleep. Enna. Ebuama oda body no repair niema bebre. If you match as a
just nipadua metumi siesie ne ho.
Siesie ne ho. And I would also so if you match your dream we hona niema we sua kra no. Eboa ma kai it helps with memory. Enti I was a woda. And case o ye kin ko ye de ye adwuma o. Why she say would na how you feel during the day. Into 7 to 9 hours. Eboa se woda no. And I usually match say omo mu ko mu penny face bibi a friend dementia so won na risks for it no say the idea betimi ama wanya ntem so won na obetimi nya dementia
ama for me enche dementia na sika credit dementia no eye adwene mu eyare bia eka wadwene no memory a memory ya baby a ode ka de eka what thinking said ye usi edi wadwene no adwene efa nima ho eka memory and planning said ye sorry account reason and planning said ye obetumi ahye bribi oto na ofo kase meyese so wunya e kind of dementia until a name for a group of e kind of say adwene mu yare bia meka adwene tine no yare adwene tine no yare na na press like no so woda eboa until wunya adwene intine yare so dementia ba kwa Alzheimer's be a Lewy body and it comes in various forms. And to be a open and our da, a cast open I mean, say, or da man broso. A yada. Maybe you almost say, or catch and say, what the oda, or to that, and you're not correct. Take it from me. And now, at least between 6 to 7 hours, or just the ideal when you about 7 hours. Or that transfer and you good. If you say, send a piece like the body must move. And to what down, we will better what down, baby. You must get that for circulation. I say, Mujan dia for sunny. And to Kai say, what da a bowadre. And just so funny be money and crophobia air church and crofos men that what da Dutch and say, and they say, we have stream of income, and they say, Monia careful. There must be balance. A false balance is an abomination. I say, Nipanada, not a home. No repair broken cells, no repair body. I'm sorry, waka. Don't forget this. Sleep is medicine. Please that us, mommy.
Enti, when I walk, so would da be a friend amyloid beta no.
Okay.
And no, a dementia no your umbrella term for.
Okay.
A dream mu yare say bakadia.
Right.
So uda amyloid beta no. And none class I did my Alzheimer's. I can't dementia huno.
Right.
And two quarters making sure say by 1 hour before sleep no.
Right.
Na screens say maybe TV near day ube making sure say 1 hour before sleep no. Ube yi Saturday na send away about me ada yi.
Right.
Another major thing boa healthy aging and answer wunyi from no. Eye wa drink cognition. Why dream say na osi use why dream for o dream ade ho nisa nema we nina na you use it or you lose it when you swa e ho betichima enti making sure say ubesua ade o read anything na the screens no hwe kakra o read screen so kra engage why dream no maybe we article be
what kind of
wadwene ho
then
eka nti omo come penny face especially read kind newspapers
and TV in chat
o TV na wa kan kakra emo a ehwe ma che so omo ko ti say ma me penny fo kan Bible sane ma weni na eboa se ne be ya sa dementia ya ye kan wasemi eno so ba na engage in crofo ni nkomo ofa phone it is saying you know so only go for enya nkitahudi a omukwa be hu as a resource the picture ma dwen so oh ma we me dwen hu ka obetimi abra me sane ma weni na wo yusu wa dwen eboa ena say wenya meaning and purpose in life no eni na so boa wa dwen yimiti bibia wo ye bia no eboa wa dwen no se ne be ya lose no at a age wako mpenyi fie so na dementia in sa name it's very 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 important at every stage of your life no engage yourself look forward to bibi awoye purpose and meaning bo ankrofo u make impact on ankrofo abrabum and no so beboa as you age. Lastly no adiwe minim say our prof akuma so pa your friend relationships eno longevity secret baako yo ihwema che say social connection so oni nipa di nkita hodie uni nkofo ye you know it's not in peace now uni nkofo relate all the time no ebwa papa obo a wo sika ohoni ma bebre apomudi oyo okay but onye obi ane ne nkasa onye obi ane ne monkomo nti obaka se o bibia ye na nso nkola no obi ani ho adenti na saade no obia ehun say a important part of life na Harvard for school nipa ni na ye nima omoye hwehwemu steady bi wo omo penny face adult development
right.
80 years
right
and who say close relationships so ne nkofo one kita the relationship ye good no na predict better health span so apomudin no say ne besia kwafa within a number of years
right
than wealth or
right.
fame
right
and yes you may have the wealth and fame but unyenije you are not okay and loneliness so ye who say emma heart diseases any yare bebre one of the things I share and say research be matrono the new geriatric giants
okay
na ni brofu no geriatric giants che say enyema fa empanyinfo onyini ho no sisi a social isolation and loneliness abeye giant is abeye Goliath
kan empanyinfo na to fam
abeye Goliath kesi pa into wo empanyinfo is a relationship is very 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 important wa wariye mu nini na boa community awom enti eno de mebo asori abaso sorry na baso pa women's fellowship ni sanya we ni na no eboa enti wo nyini a fa hu kasa nyama we hu
join
be ebeboa asori ye bibia kobi join be Sunday school for ye baby volunteer and help them sanya we na be stimulate wa dream any emotions na my relationships aboapa anti nyama enum we and ye universal pillars
movement
nutrition
aduane die mu
sleep
wonder mu
cognition
said you want adwene esi ye adwuma fa
and a relationship
and fe woni nipa enkita hodie enioma num and man nipa abrabo ne nyini ekoso mame summarize no wow press like am shout was it the kai said you will see it to one number movement and one per exercise one per say to na mo de bia dampam o jai WH from daily walking no almost between 7,000 to 10,000 steps me can't I know it should be between about 5 to 7 kilometers and to what you want in area where we never be crowded compared this is a more machine be MSB 1,200 onya eswa na onam so na ankasa e de okọ I say walking tread or the walking mail or whatever just say e de okọ sa na utu na count steps are utu no e be bua papa be ma won na ye good and e fe waduane die enye bibia na wodi wonyine no na won restrict waduane die eni di bebre na eni aduane bia won na ene sane odo wadwene be ye obe stretch wadwene or ware to ye fine look to your fine kind of saying can book and a Bible now try a kai okay kind and also your pa and na a nipa enkita mundie open you be one you be echo one nim sani ezi handle nipa or you be a basa where's happening bia when you call him obebre and yandepa obebre because obia bejao enti build people around you penkrofo yamuye if say baby awono obohu say obre betwem no obi nso aba sa na ti o ye agei enche bia me ma na bi so musi ma me kwatenten de na metumi ye no mentumi ye bi enti ye nipa yi amadachi won so ayo yi 6 pillars of a healthy aging. And now, Prisla, Prisla,